The connection problem or invalid MMI code error on Consumer Cellular typically appears when using USSD codes like 611 for customer service. This happens because your phone can't properly communicate with the network to process the code. The most common causes are SIM card issues, incorrect APN settings, weak network coverage, or outdated phone software. Often, this isn't a network-wide problem, but rather a glitch between your device and the network, especially after network updates like 5G enhancements. Consumer Cellular launched its mobile app in 2023, which handles most functions like balance checks and plan management that once required MMI codes, reducing reliance on them. By 2025, app usage has increased by 45% among Consumer Cellular subscribers. First, restart your phone to reset the modem and clear any temporary glitches that might be causing the error. Second, double-check that your SIM card is correctly inserted. Remove and reinsert it carefully to ensure proper contact. Third, verify your APN settings. Navigate to Settings, then Mobile Networks and Access Point Names. Ensure APN is set to CC Data and MSCT MSC.mobile.8.net. Fourth, ensure your phone's software is up to date. Go to Settings, then System and System Update to download any available updates. Fifth, if problems persist, contact Consumer Cellular support via their app or by calling 611. In some cases with older devices, upgrading to a newer 5G-compatible model might be necessary. Using the Consumer Cellular app for account management is recommended as carriers shift toward app-based services.